Introducing the new LEGO Sonic collaboration featuring the iconic blue hedgehog, Sonic.
Ooh, hey, make sure to mention how amazing my sets are.
Please don't interrupt me.
My bad.
C is Sonic.
DJs.
Yes, and
Eats chili dogs.
Yep, and uses the speed sphere to go really fast.
Hi.
What?
I think you need to emphasize how fast I am.
I said you went really fast.
Yeah, but I go really, really fast.
You want me to say really, really fast?
Actually, say really, really, really fast.
C is the speed sphere goes really, really, really...
Ooh, could you add awesome before speed sphere?
Any other requests?
Nah, you're doing great.
C is the awesome speed sphere goes really, really, really fast.
Yeah!
Visit Sonic's fast friend Tails in his workshop with his iconic tornado plane.
Time to do the barrel roll, Tails. Ho, ho, ho!
Now let's head to Amy Rose's Animal Rescue Island.
Amy with her trusty hammer.
Hey Sonic.
Yes, Mr. Sky Voice?
If you're really so fast, try and beat me to the Green Hill Zone Loop Challenge. Yes, gotcha Sonic. Who's fast now? Now we can take our time admiring this nice loop-de-loop and nice ring bit.
Turn around.
How did you get in here?
I told ya, I'm really, really, really fast.
And I am really, really, really upset! Snubbed from the product reveal ad, am I, rodent? You'll regret this too, LEGO Company!
Oh boy, here we go.